Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am looking forward to talking with you today about the sector to which an electrical engineer can be take himself after graduation in Bangladesh. First of all, I would like to quickly introduce myself. I am Arfa Sanjit from Begum Rokeya University, Department of Tripoli. Everyone has a career odds. Every problem has a solution, and after the solution there is success. If you study some subject, you have to worry a little less. One such subject is Tripoli. The subject is highly valued not only in foreign country but also in our country. Many jobs are being created for Tripoli graduates in Bangladesh. Many students from Asia, including Bangladesh, are going to study with scholarship in foreign famous universities in different countries of Europe, including North America. If we first analyze the Tripoli subject, we will see that it is divided into four parts. The first one is electronics, the second one is communication, the third one is power, and the last one is computer. In Bangladesh, jobs are more in power sector because there are many companies that generate power, transmit power, and also many companies distribute power again. Such companies are called power companies. There are both public and private power companies in Bangladesh. Every year these companies need huge quantities electrical engineers. Now we will look at the career options for electrical engineers. We see that an electrical engineer can include himself in field job, research job, and also in management job. In field job, there are private sector, public sector, and also government sector. An engineer can do a Master of Technology or a PhD when doing research. Now, if we look at management, we can see an engineer can do MBA in operations. If you want pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Electrical Engineering, now you have two career options. Either you can go for Master of Technology in particular specialized stream of electrical, or you can either pursue for MBA also. Both these streams are good. You will get a lot of career opportunities also after pursuing masters. Industrialization is an essential prerequisite for rapid economic growth of a developing country like Bangladesh. There are many industries in Bangladesh, including garments industry, electric supply industry, auto rice mill industry. All of those industries run on electricity, which is why they need electrical engineers. Recently, robotics and automation are now creating many job fields. Oil sector and National Thermal Power Corporation (NTPC) is related to the thermal power generation company. Both belong to the public sector. There is a lot of demand for a Tripoli engineer. Now come to the government job sector. In government job sector, Power Development Board (PDB), Dhaka Electric Supply Company (DESCO), Rural Electrification Board (REB), Northern Electricity Supply Company (NESCO), Government Ministry, Bangladesh Telecommunication Company Limited (BTCL), Teletalk, and also BCS. Thanks for watching this video.